What's up, y'all? We got a celebration video. Huxley's here. It's beautiful outside, but it's too cold to skate at the moment. Or I'm just too cold to skate at the moment, but it's perfect because we got a box. And we can open this box in celebration of surpassing 1,000 subscribers. Granted, those subscribers are partially jiu-jitsu followers, but the number is the number. It's a big milestone. Gotta find a blade. We didn't prepare, apparently. We'll go with classics. The classic. Scissors. This package is from Tactics in Portland. They just seem to have those deals, so I have been going through them. Ooh, the first thing out of our box, poking its little head, is a couple of replacement truck bolts. Just because my old trucks on my old board, the nuts are worn down. Not from me. I don't know what that's from. Must be from the dude I got them from back in the day. So here's our invoice. 11 items. First one being those bolts. The next, some classic Thunder hardware, because I think it's good to have just a bunch of backups. And so we threw them into our odds and ends box. Stickers, a tin from a pair of bush bearings, some grip tape, nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts. Here we got a Baker hat, trucker hat. That's a beauty. That's a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful thing. We'll open that in a moment. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. I think I'll just open everything out of the box, pull everything out of the box, and then I'll change our angle and we'll get a better look at stuff. Some Bronson Co. bearings, because I don't think I need to use them right now, but I want to have some backup bearings just in case. The bearing thing is still a fun mystery to me. Not a mystery as much as a thing that you can just keep messing with. One of our stickers today, you won't be able to see, but it's Baker. That'll look nice. That'll look nice. So 2 things from Baker. Ooh, a third thing from Baker. The Whiz Kid. Flaming Skull. Burning Skull. There's a little support for the Tactics brand, since I've gone through them a couple times. Tactics long sleeve. A little horsey on it. It's a fun. I like that. I love long sleeve shirts. I'm kind of afraid of horses. So maybe if I wear a horse, I'll become more horse friendly. This is probably my favorite thing in the box. Classic looking. So classy. Yellow and blue. Sci-Fi. Hi, Huxley. Lay down. Lay down. Good puppy. Good puppy. Huxley just had his little nut sack removed. His little balls. But he's doing okay. He's doing okay. That was a couple weeks ago. I think I got this box in the mail maybe 5 days ago. And I've been waiting. Then I realized I was like 2 subscribers away from 1,000, so I waited another day. Been posting some green screen stuff, and that pulled in like 15 or 20 subscribers, so we shot past 1,000. I think we're at like 1,020 at the moment. And then this I don't know if I can be caught wearing this unless I'm skating alone, but it's beauty. Shake, jump, shake, jump, shake, jump. It's beautiful. That's beautiful. I love Shake Jump so much. The logo is big, bigger than I expected, but that's okay. I'll wear it. Probably just skating. Probably just to skate. And one more sticker. Thought I'd throw a Bronson sticker in there since we're supporting the boys. And then the pièce de résistance. Come on, come out of there. Emerica's. Some Heretics. Size 11. Black and tan. Although they're black and green, and the sole from the picture looked white. So we'll see. We'll see if it's tan. But God, I love the Emerica aesthetic. Okay. Okay. Here they is. Here they be. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. That's so nice. A rubber toe cap. That'll definitely enhance grip and longevity. We'll see if it's too grippy, but these are sweet. These are beautiful. I love black shoes, but I think I also love white shoes. I think the next pair of shoes I get is going to be a pair of white, all white. There are so many shoes to pick from. I almost went with some John Delos. I almost went with some Etnies. What else? I almost got some half cabs. Yeah, the shoe market is insane. I mean, for a buyer, I think it's a buyer's market in the shoe world right now. So yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera to an overhead. I might have been panning shots in and out if my editing is up to snuff, or I'll just switch the camera now and kind of give a better look of each item. Our first sticker, the Bronson Speed Co. That's a pretty nice boy. We got the Baker. You still probably can't see it. That's a beautiful classic sticker. And then we got the classic. Everything with Baker's freaking classic. These are the bearings. OG, I think this is like their base model. Definitely not the high end. They were like $25. So those all go in the. All right, and here we go. I'll take a seat here. Oh, what I was gonna say, those all go into a little box I got that I, keep some odds and ends in. Replacement bearings, stickers, shake, jump, shake, jump. Plastic is off. Oh, baby. Baby, baby. I freaking love it. Little logo here says shake, jump, get buck. Size medium. That's a beaut. That is a beaut. Oh, yes. Throw that in the wash. Nah, maybe not. Kind of love the smell of a new shirt. Ooh-wee. Sci-Fi. Gosh. I'm such a fan. I'm such a fan that I want to save these. I'm not opening up the Sci-Fi. I'm keeping her bagged up. Keeping her bagged up for now. I have another Sci-Fi shirt that I also have still bagged up in the closet. But we will open this so I can support. I know it's kind of silly of me to buy shirts and not wear them, but something tells me sci-fi fantasy stuff is gonna become collectible. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. And of course Baker stuff is as well, Shake Junt stuff as well, but now this, that's a fun shirt. It's just a horse going one way, thinking about going the other way. Nothing too complicated about that. Again, 100% cotton. Long sleeve tee, you cannot go wrong. Smells good. And something we'll go throw on right away. The Baker Trucker. Beautiful. That's for sure. The Baker. Classic. Man, that's a soft hat. Ooh, Huxley likes it. What is it? You like this? Yeah? Oh, was there a puppy at the store? Was there maybe a puppy at the store? What is it? Hi, buddy. So, our last item is going to be the shoes. Let's replace. Ooh, it's always nice when it's the right tightness right out of the box. Oh, what's up, dog? All right, last thing. Move our shirts. Grab our shoes. Here. No, lay down. That's such a good puppy. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good boy. Good boy. He's so good. All right. Emerica's size 11 Heretic. Black and tan. Look at that. Look at that. I guess the tan is the total bottom. The sole. Oh man, the big Emerica on the inside, if you can see. That's just small details make me happy. You take this out. Yeah. Made in Vietnam. Stick that on the inside of the old box. Very nice. Let's see if there's one on this side. No, there is not. So here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love the big E on the side. All right. That's our box. Thanks for following. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you want me to do more unboxings, well, for me, I have to buy them. They're not being sent to me. So I like to do them for special occasions. Of course, 1,000 subscribers, big deal. Maybe on 2,000, we'll do another. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.